Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically there are some bunch of animation that you can try to use in Filmora. And the first thing that we have here is our playback or our project frame. And basically we need just to go to File and click on New Project, and I'm just going to click a widescreen default project. So now all we'll be needing to do is to have, for example, a background. So let's just choose this white one, and I'm just going to have it here. And basically this will be our background, and basically I will just make it here. Now all we need to do is to start having our shapes or whatever you like to animate, so we can find some about animation. So basically, for the animation, you can just simply go to stock media. I'm just going to choose whatever. I'm going just to choose a red block that I'm just going to add here. And basically, you can just go here and in position, you will find such these positions. So I can just simply come here and I make it small. And basically, I want to resize it. And now we will be needing to start creating keyframes. So basically here in this time, uh, we want, we will have like our position to be here. Now in this time, I want the position to, for example, like let's just have it here. I want my audio or this shape to be here. Now, in this time, I want it to go down, and basically in this time, I want it to come here. So basically now we can use the playback speed, and basically we'll see that the video is moving, and you can like control uh, the speed by like controlling the time amount. So the less the speed, the less the time, the higher the speed here. So I'm just going to add playback speed, and this is how you can animate. And basically, you can do that with all the properties. And whenever you see a keyframe, that means that you can start having some kind of animation. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.